Running. Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm the chief engineer for SageMaker at AWS. SageMaker is a platform that allows companies and enterprise to deploy AI at scale. We have some of our biggest customers in the world, and if somebody does AI, most of the folks that we deal with are either individuals like you or large enterprises. But I'm going to talk about what is going to happen in 6 months. Right now we're doing demos and we're all trying to build cool products, and that's awesome. Happy to talk with you later on. But what happens when you have to put these systems in production? What are you going to do? Like, you're going to keep using the largest, best models that are also the most expensive? I don't know, right? I don't know where that story is going to end. What I do believe is that choice is key. You want to be able to take whatever model works for you, whatever system works for you, and make it work at that point in time, and potentially have the ability to swap out other things. And I want to encourage you all to think about how do you build all these agents in ways that allow you to swap in, swap out, use different methods. How do you make systems, how do you build systems that will be not only cool to use, but also affordable to deploy in your enterprise? We have a bunch of choices to run. We have Amazon Bedrock, which I just talked about, but also we've seen our customers try out a whole bunch of new models. We have Llama 2, we have Falcon, we have Stable Diffusion, Excel, and a whole bunch of other systems. How do you choose? How do you go back and forth between all these systems? That's something that I would love to see maybe one of you folks work on. We also have partnerships with Hugging Face, and you can deploy to SageMaker. We have day one support on LangChain with Harrison. We talk. Woo! There you go. Everything that you support on LangChain, and you can swap things in and out. But the thing that I really I would love for you folks to focus on is kind of this one here, right? How do you measure quality? How do you know that the quality of the agents that you're going to build is constant over time? Are we good?
Oh, you're good.
How do you know that your models are they don't suffer from toxicity, they don't generate output that you don't want? How do you build all these things? That's an area that I think is still underexplored. Because again, we're not in that phase again. But if you look ahead 6 months, a year, you're going to want to think about that. And there's a whole bunch of cool, interesting projects. Some of them are research, some of them are deployment into production that you can think about. And plug here, we have a whole bunch of tools to help you kind of understand, train models, fine-tune them, but also deploy them, monitor them in production. Right? How do you monitor an agent in production? How do you know that the answer that the agent gave you still makes sense? It made sense 10 days ago, but what about now? How do I know this? Like, I would love some of you folks to think about that. And integration with human annotation is going to be super important. As you build the systems, as you interact with humans, you're going to want to take some of those learnings and bring them back. How do you make all this seamless? I don't know that we have all the story in place. We have integrations with ground truth, and we have UIs, and blah, blah, blah. But I'll be around for the next hour or so until 1:30. I cannot stay any longer. Shoot me an email if you want to connect, if you just want to talk. I'm happy to engage with you. All right, folks. Hey, have a great day. Enjoy. I want to see the coolest stuff, the coolest agents ever come out of this hackathon. All right, thank you.